Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We have this car here, Chevy Impala. When it's warm up a little bit, it hesitates and it cut off. You have to wait another 5 minutes or 20 minutes and the car will start again. And when it starts bubbling, it will make noise like bug, 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 and then it shut off. It started again. Under here, under these coils, there is a computer like this. There is no code, just when it gets hot, it will start acting up. So we replace this ignition coil and the car now is running fine, beautiful. This is the part. We don't have, you feel like a crankshaft sensor, but it's not. This coil here, coil pack module. Just beautiful. (2001) Impala. Please put in consideration. Most of the time when it becomes hot, it doesn't want to start. For this one here, we found this is a problem. Maybe your car is going to be a different issue, but diagnose the car first. We'll diagnose it, we'll narrow down the problem, and this is the issue here. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic and see you in another video.